Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this look which is known as Halo Eye. It looks so amazing on your eyes. This look will be the showstopper of the event. So let's get started. Taking this brush by BH Cosmetics and this black shade from MORPHEXJACYLHILL palette. Applying the shade to my crease, as you can see where I am applying the shade right on that area where we used to open up our eye. Hope you all can understand what I'm trying to teach you. Enhancing the shade little bit more for creating some more depth to my crease. Taking this fluffy brush by Morphe Cosmetics and this brownish shade from the same palette. Starting to blend my crease here. It looks so messy, but trust the process. Now, taking this black shade, again blending the shades with the same shade. Do I look like a ghost here? Yes, I know. See, it seems so tricky, but we have to go through it. On to the other eye. Repeating the same process. Taking this blending brush by Morphe brushes and this shade and blending the harsh edges, the purple shade which was already on the brush, so it's okay. This concealer is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics. This flat rounded brush is from BH Cosmetics. Here I am drawing a semicircle kind of shade and blending it as well. Taking this golden shade from the same palette and applying it to the same area where we applied concealer before. I love the shade. Wow, how pigmented it is. Taking the same brush and same black shade. Blending the outer and inner corner of my eye. On to the other eye. With short smudger brush from Morphe brushes, taking this brown shade, applying it to my lower lash line and blending it as well. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking this shimmery shade, highlighting my brow bone. So this is the complete look. Hope you all will like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.